Hey guys, Chad here with Gilbert Outdoors. What we have with us today is the 2022 EZGO Liberty Lithium cart. These carts have been on order for 11 months and it's finally arrived. What this one is a 4-passenger forward-facing seat cart. EZGO's brand new design redefined what they like to call raising the limits. Hey Chris, come on over here and I'll let you check out the battery. This has a new lithium battery pack. Very, very small, very, very compact, but still 56 volts, giving room for some extra storage there as well, and the battery sits underneath that. What's super cool about the lithium packs is how you can charge them. You don't have to plug it in once it's all the way dead and let it charge for 8 to 10 hours. This cart here, you can plug in at any time. Say you ride it for 2 or 3 miles, come back home, plug it right back in, and within an hour or two, this thing's fully charged, ready to rip again. Come on over here, Chris, and I'll show you the gauge pack on it. This cart here has a key switch. You've got reverse, neutral, and forward. The new EZGO Elite pack has your 80% charge rate. It'll also have a mile per hour once the cart starts moving if you want to hang out here for a second. The lights and the cup holders actually light up all LEDs, so when you're drinking your favorite adult beverage, you can see it easy cruising at night. As well as LED headlights. Can't really see those too good in the daylight, but they are full LED headlights. Guys, this cart also comes standard with 14-inch wheels and 23-inch all-terrain tires. Smooth plush ride while looking good as well. Also around the back side of this cart, Chris, we just have the charger in here at the moment, but this is perfect storage. Have your small cooler, your bags if you're taking the kids to the pool. Everything's ready to go, guys. And again, the 2022 EZGO Liberty Lithium Golf Cart. Thank y'all for checking the YouTube channel out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos. Y'all have a great day.
Gilbert Outdoors, where we speak y'all.